Napa City Ghosts and Legends began doing tours out at Flora Springs Winery in St. Helena, California, as an exclusive wine tour and cave tour for VIP guests. Flora Springs is one of the oldest wineries in Napa Valley. It is what we consider a ghost winery. It survived all of the fires and was built before 1900. Flora Springs has always embraced their Halloween heritage, coming up with a bunch of wines that feature macabre art. This is our experience at Flora Springs. As a dark, stormy winter day became an even darker, stormier night, rain fell hard as we walked into the dark caves that are set back within the hillside. We set up our equipment and began to feel out the situation. We wanted to know how many spirits lurked in these caves. It wasn't long before we got our first answer. We came across a ghost who identified himself as Lionel. He was a Scotsman from Glasgow. He had come over with the Rennie brothers. I heard your voice.
Thank you. Can you do it again, please?
Can you talk to us again? We're here at Flora Springs. You might have known it as the Rennie brothers' place back in the day. We hear that they were pretty innovative with their gasoline-powered press. I heard a low man's voice talking a little bit earlier, and that was you, wasn't it? Are you Lionel? Thank you, Lionel. I really appreciate that you're here to talk with us. I know you don't like a lot of strangers coming into your space, but you're used to the winemakers. Would you like to talk about the Rennie brothers a little bit more? Were you here when the fire happened? You know, when you lit the REM pod, the red thing there a little bit ago, that was pretty amazing. I'm wondering if you can do it again. Lionel, I really want to learn about you. I want to know your story. Are you happy here at the winery? Let's see, we'll do yes and no. So if you are happy here at the winery, can you light it up?
Why don't we see if he can control the colors?
What?
Why don't we see if he can control the colors? We can use red for no and blue for yes.
Okay. Lionel, you did a really good job. I hope you don't mind me calling you Lionel by your first name. I know you're rather stern Scotsman, but I say it with all respect. I am a whiskey drinker myself, but I do enjoy a nice bottle of wine, and I'm sure you were very good at making it.
Okay, temperature dropped 4 degrees.
Okay. Now we are in a temperature-controlled environment. There's probably over $1 million worth of wine in this cave. Temperature is a big deal, even though they're in barrels. It's one of the reasons why they build wine caves. Now, Lionel, can you light up the color blue for me? I just want to show people that you're here with us and that this is your spot. If you could do that, that would be amazing. I know it takes a little bit of energy to do that. I'm feeling like he's getting a little grumpy.
Okay. I'm gonna let you work here because I think with us being here, it's too much on him. So try it, see if he lights it up now.
Okay. Okay, you don't need to make me feel that pain in my shoulder, okay? I know that you passed away from a heart attack, but the pain is a little bit too much for me, so can you back off just a little bit? I want to understand your story. I know no one's ever come in here and done this kind of work before, but if you need any help, we're here to help you. If you could just light the lights to let us know that you're still here, that would be great. Okay, this is going to be your chance because I'm going to move in a minute. I'm going to go down to the farther end of the cave where we got your name. You need to back off my shoulder. If it's not you, whoever it is needs to back off. I have enough issues as it is. I really don't need another one.
Send Marie down.
This is my friend Marie. And Marie is here to help me communicate and to help keep me safe. So I want you to try to communicate with us if possible. Okay, that was not cool. No messing with my stomach at all. Okay, I'm going to count to 3, and then I'm going to shut it off, and I'm going to move. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to move.
You hear that?
Yes.
That sounds like talking.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm buzzing. Is there somebody here that wants to communicate? Thank you. Have I spoke to you before? Male? Female?
As Devin works with the rods, he begins to feel chills all over his body. We all feel a sense of electricity going through us. When we least expect it, we could hear the REM pod going off deep within the caves. Remember, we are half a mile inside of a mountain where there are no other sounds. Was it Lionel trying to communicate with us?
I'm totally like capped from head to toe right now. I'm just like buzzing.
This isn't turning back on either. When did we change the batteries? Oh, wait, there we go.
I just changed it.
Oops, that was me. Okay. Right about now, the REM pod starts going off. Do you hear the REM pod? Lionel, can you share your story with us? So I picked up a couple of women as well. Working girls.
Whoever this one is, she's like all over me right now.
Mary.
Is she named Mary? You want to ask some questions?
Her name Mary Ann.
It's just Mary.
Are you tied to the winery? Are you connected with that time?
Kind of.
Were you here when the Martinis were here?
Yes.
Did you work out here?
Yes. Now, did you just move your foot?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
No.
You moved your foot the way you just moved it. Yeah, no, that wasn't it. I think your little friend is with you.
The gremlin?
Yeah, because
I feel it. I felt like a sense of foreboding.
It looked like.
I just felt something touch my ankle.
Yeah, it looked like a
Gremlin?
a dog.
It reminded me of like a something like would be sitting.
Flora Springs Winery sits between Rutherford and St. Helena, California. And in these old photos, we see what life was like in the Old West. Wineries, brothels, hotels, darkness, street fights. Had we met the ghost of Lionel and Mary? She was a working girl. As we came to know these 16 spirits at Flora Springs Winery, it was only the tip of the iceberg. There were many more to know.